Hey, it's Backstage Audio. My name is Savio. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Denon DN-300Z. This is a CD, USB, SD audio player which has Bluetooth, and believe it or not, it also has an AM/FM tuner. So let's go check it out. All right, time for the unboxing, folks. And here what I can see is the Denon DN-300Z. So Denon DN-300Z has a remote in it. Look at it later. And then of course it has the, let's see, comes with the aerial. Okay, and I believe this would be for the AM/FM. Shipped with it is also the power cable. What else you get? Oh, so you also get one of this. So those are the accessories, and of course then the main thing is the unit over here, right? So after removing the Denon DN-300Z from the packaging box, I place it on the table, and these are some of the accessories that came along with it. I'm going to slowly take these styrofoams. So here's the main unit. Wow, what a beautiful piece of kit. All right, so this is the back of the unit. And what we have here is the FM coaxial. Then we have an AM loop antenna, tuner region select. Now let's move to the output section of the unit. We have a tuner which is RCA. So it's going to be RCA out into a mixer. I have the Behringer Xenix mixer that I use. And so I'm just going to connect my RCA to the Xenix mixer. Then I also have we have the CD, USB, SD, auxiliary, Bluetooth, BT output. So again, this would be the RCA into the mixer. And finally, we have the choice to even use the balanced XLR outputs, which connects directly into a mixer. Over here, we've got the tuner region select. We have the Americas, Europe, and Japan. FM, AM, it tells you the frequencies are here. Now what we're going to finally see is the AC in, and of course, we have the power supply as well for it. I want to go back and show you where the accessories connect. So this would be for the AM tuner, and this antenna would connect directly to this over here. AM loop antenna, it's an AM loop antenna. The accessory you see here, which is an antenna, will connect directly to this section over here. And finally, this one here will connect to your FM. So it's an FM coaxial, and it's going to connect directly to here. Alrighty, so the front of the unit this is where the main screen is, in the center of the unit. It shows you it has CD, USB, SD, auxiliary, Bluetooth, FM, AM, media player with Bluetooth and tuner. That's the selling point of the unit. Let's go from left to right. So this is the Denon Professional. It has a power, that's where the power button is. It has an auxiliary in. It also has a USB, so if you have media on USB, you can use it. Just plug your USB in, and you should be able to select that particular feature. In big letters is Bluetooth. So this unit, one of the selling points is that it has Bluetooth, so you can connect your phone and have music playing from your phone onto this device. And just so you know, let me just cover that section over here. So you can, it has pairing mode. As you can see over here is the pairing mode Also, one of its selling points is it's a CD player. The iconic compact disc digital audio. I love that symbol. So this is where you'll just insert the CDs in, and then it'll kind of take the CD. Still have to check how quickly it can scan a disc and play the track. Okay, now remember, it's not just any ordinary CD player. This is Denon Professional, used in radio stations around the world, and that's one of the reasons why the mechanisms of this has to be absolutely quick. Okay, so you just feed the CD, and then it accepts the CD, and it should be able to scan the CD really much faster than an average or regular CD player. All right, so that's one of the features of this Denon DN-300 Professional. CD, USB, SD, auxiliary, so that's media, and of course a whole bunch of buttons to toggle, and you also have a text lock, and then you also have folders, which will be displayed on the screen over here. Moving on, and of course it has a cool eject button for your CD. You have a nice big screen in the center. Now we also have SD. So this section over here is the SD card. If you have the material on SD card, it's absolutely super to just use it. And it's amazing that this player is also capable of doing SD. It's also capable of doing auxiliary. Perfect. Isn't that awesome? For the CD, we have the search feature, which also applies to any digital media, for example, SD cards or USB flash drives. These are all the features, and every time you change or select a feature, you're gonna have to press this button over here. Okay, it's like a push button, it's a select button, so you press it once. Listen to the sound. So it means that you have selected it, and it also acts up as for tuner. If you want to use a radio and you want to select a particular radio station, that's what you're going to do. You're going to have to turn that little dial over here and use it for that purpose. So one last look at the front panel of the Denon Professional DN-300Z. It's a very good looking player too. Indeed, a very good looking player, and I cannot wait to hear what it sounds like. Thanks for watching this video. My name is Savio. This is Backstage Audio, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Tons of cool videos coming up of various audio products. I'm also going to do several other videos on this professional DN-300Z audio player. So if you're interested in this player, make sure you stick around for those videos and tons of other videos coming up. Well then, you take care and hope to speak to you soon in one of my future videos. Bye for now.